this one. You know your one?
Yeah, I have. I searched in the web and researched your. I wrote the whole layout of your previous landing page and matched the text and search different this product I got this type of heading ChatGPT and content. This is SEO optimized content. Don't worry about it.
Okay. No, no. So you just go down. The one is a photo I asked you to change earlier.
Okay, okay, okay. I designed this one.
But even when you start publish, you should be able to see
Variant, okay.
the options. Yeah, you're supposed to see the options.
Okay, okay. You want to show the options
Yeah.
here, okay?
Then yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And then the one part right is where your worldwide shipping.
What?
Your worldwide shipping. You go down. You
Okay.
know the guarantee. You go down. The worldwide shipping. It shouldn't be there. It should be above, just before the buy.
Which?
You go up. Yeah. Okay. You go up, scroll up a little bit.
Okay.
Scroll a little bit.
Okay.
Scroll a little bit more.
Okay.
Scroll more. No, no, you're scrolling down. No, scroll up.
Okay. Do you want this specification section above this section?
No. It's not about this. It's still under the buy section, the add to cart section.
Yeah, this is the add to cart section, and under this there is a video.
Okay. You see the worldwide shipping, money back guarantee,
Yes.
quality guarantee.
Yes.
So this one, right? Correct. Why this one should put above? It's better to put above.
Okay,
You get what I mean, right? Because
if you look at the high converting landing pages, I understand I understood what you are talking about. So you are wanting to show these badges or images above this add to cart button, okay?
yeah, above here.
Okay.
Yeah, correct.
This is not proper. If you see some high converting landing pages, I have worked with many. 20 plus brands. I have designed their landing pages above instead of Fiverr. So I worked with them. I designed their landing pages with a 5-star review. So these badges, the rule of the landing page, these badges show under add to cart button or buy button or like this type of section. In this type of section, any customer, any client or the owner should show. Okay, so this is
Yeah, but this one is,
okay.
I understand, but this one is too far down already. Because usually when the purchase, right, you will, most of the time people don't scroll all the way down. They will just look at the top section. If they like it, they will just get it.
So you need.
You understand, right? Yeah.
I will write it down. Note it down.
Okay.
So you need at first there is a default variant. Okay, then you want to show this badges above of this. I mean the add to cart above of the add to cart button. Okay.
Correct. And then when your mouse is over the add to cart, it should show a different color.
Show a different color. So if someone click on this, which color do you want to show?
It can be.
My suggestion is when anyone click on this, the background will be changed to white and the text will be red.
Okay, no problem. You can follow what I suggest.
Okay,
Yeah.
I suggest you, but with this design, I mean,
Yeah.
there is also a variant choosing option.
Yeah, this one I understand. This one is the app under buy.
So for this, I hide the default variant media you are talking about. So
Yeah, correct.
okay. So if you are wanting this image here, okay, and this color, don't worry. I will add this in 2 to 5 minutes. Don't worry.
Okay, right.
Okay. And any other queries? All the things I think okay.
Okay, so the one part is the specification. You go down.
Yes.
You go up. I haven't changed the photo yet.
Okay.
You know the specifications?
Yeah. Which section from your previous page?
The one with the 6 photos.
Okay.
This one. You know your one?
Yeah, I have. I searched in the web and researched your. I wrote the whole layout of your previous landing page and matched the text and search different this product and I got this type of heading ChatGPT and content. This is SEO optimized content. Don't worry about it.
Okay. No. So you just go down. The one is a photo. I asked you to change earlier.
Okay. I designed this one.
Correct. So there's two. There's one photo. Two photo is the same, right?
I changed it on this theme. Sorry, I changed on this theme. I forgot. Sorry for that. I changed on this theme. Look, there I have changed on this theme. I will change now. Okay, don't worry. Photo change. Okay.
Yeah. No. Yeah, I think that should be okay now.
So these three things are still to change and
Okay.
okay. So no other.
Sorry, I want to ask you one last question. Pardon me. But you know the last part, right? Where you have the guarantee.
Yeah.
You go down. You go down.
Yeah.
You go down. This one. Do you think the background white and then the logo red is better?
Logo red.
Yeah, the logo is red, but the background is white. I felt like
that
it's a bit strong for me.
I think, but for the user it will be because there is a if I give this white colors, so this section is also white color, so it will not match. And apart of this, all these are white. I am giving you the best design from my side and best effort, as you can see, because I know that's the design principle for a landing page.
Okay.
So it is good or not? Are you still thinking about changing this section color?
It's not about the color. It's just that I felt like it's a bit too much for the eye. That's what I feel like. Because when I look at it, it's like it's like coming up to me.
Okay.
A bit too much. You get what I mean? And because the box itself is very big, so it's like it's like very sudden.
Theme doesn't option because we are not going with the page builder. We are going with the free theme, so we have to accept it.
Okay.
So don't worry about that.
Okay. Okay. I think we can change the rest.
Okay, so these three things I have to change. The last I am showing you that these images will be above the add to cart button, and there will be a default variant buttons here. Okay, and then I have to change this image. There is two images similar. Okay.
The variant and the quantity, you know, right? The variant and the quantity.
What?
The variant and the quantity.
Oh, okay. You want there is only quantity button and variant color, two buttons. Okay.
Color and quantity. Yeah.
Okay. I understand. So I will give you an update under 2 hours. Within 2 hours.
I think I'll be asleep by then.
Okay, just sleep.
Yeah.
Or should I deliver the email? After doing this, I will deliver this. Please accept it morning.
Okay, you show me the final one. Then I will check.
Okay, I will send you. At first, I will send you the copy image in the chat box. Then I will deliver it. After doing this, I will recheck the landing page. What you have, I noted it. Okay, don't worry about that.